Hello there, Karen Curitin Consulting, here with a little bit of a festive tip. So my title for this video is, what does Mary Berry and baking have to do with social media? Well, it's about having the ingredients and having them in the right order. And one of my challenges for you is to make sure that you have the right ingredients in your social media activity and planning for success. And one of those is about having the right people in your network. And now, if like me, as a very early adopter of LinkedIn, you may have just accepted everybody and anybody into your LinkedIn network. Well, maybe that's not the best way to do it. It's about quality versus quantity. So I've got a bit of a Christmas challenge for you, which is, why not export your LinkedIn connections and have a good old sort out, export into a CSV file and have a sort out and look at that, and then just remove people. If they aren't the right people, if you feel as though maybe you accepted them in error, I certainly have done that in the past, then why not remove them and start afresh in 2021? So that's today's tip, and I'm going to do more on the Mary Berry theme. I love baking, so why not? So if you've got any questions and you're not sure how to do this, drop me a private message because I'd love to show you how. See you soon.